Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter Regional Powers. In previous class, we discussed about Bahmani kingdoms, kingdoms, and Mewar that emerged as independent kingdoms in India during the 15th century. Today, we will discuss some exercises of this chapter that are fill in the blanks, tick the correct options, true or false, and answer the following questions in brief. Let's proceed ahead. First exercise is tick the correct options. Students, in this exercise you are given 4 options with each questions. You have to find out suitable one. First question is, who among the following visitors has written in praise of Vijayanagar Empire? Options are Vernier, Pius, Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo. Correct answer is Pius. We have already discussed that there were many foreign visitors who wrote lots in praise of the administration and flourishing trade of Vijayanagar. They were Domingo Pius from Portugal, Abdul Razzaq from Persia, and other foreign visitors. Now coming second number, who constructed Kirti Stambh at Chittor? Options are Rana Sangram Singh, Maharana Pratap, Rana Hamid, and Rana Kumbha. Correct answer is Rana Kumbha. Rana Kumbha constructed the magnificent Kirti Stambh to celebrate his victory over Malwa. Now coming third number, the city of Vijayanagar was located on the banks of river. Options are Godavari, Kaveri, Tungabhadra, Krishna, and the correct answer is Tungabhadra. Now coming question number 4. Identify the Bahmani king who was a good calligraphist and an accomplished linguist. Options are Bahman Shah, Firoz Shah, Ahmad Shah, Muhammad Shah. Correct answer is Firoz Shah. Firoz Shah Bahmani was the most famous ruler who ruled from 1397 CE to 1422 CE. He was a learned man, he was a good calligraphist and composed verses in Arabic, Persian, Marathi, Telugu and Kannada. Now coming fifth number, Syana Waja. Options are Bahmani ruler, foreign visitors, ruler of Vijayanagar, great Sanskrit scholar. Correct answer is great Sanskrit scholar. Syana Waja, great Sanskrit scholar who wrote commentaries on Vedas. Now coming second number, fill in the blanks. Let's see. First, Bukka succeeded dash. Answer is Harihar. Bukka succeeded Harihar. Coming second number, Vijayanagar rulers were involved in a battle with dash kingdom. Correct answer is Bahmani. Vijayanagar rulers were involved in battle with Bahmani kingdoms. It is because both wanted to control over Raichur Doab area. Now coming third number, Firoz Shah Bahmani ruled from dash to dash. Correct answer is Firoz Shah Bahmani ruled from 1397 CE to 1422 CE. Now coming fourth number, Rana Sanga was one of the most famous rulers of dash. Correct answer is Mewar. Rana Sanga was one of the most famous rulers of Mewar. Now coming fifth number, Janual Abidin adopted a policy of dash towards Hindu. Correct answer is religious tolerance. Janual Abidin adopted a policy of religious tolerance towards Hindus. Now, coming exercise C, state true or false for the following statements. Let's see first number. The Bahmani and Vijayanagar kingdoms maintained friendly relations with each other. Answer is false. Coming second number. The name Assam is derived from Ahom. It is true. Now coming third number, the Bahmani kingdom was founded by Mahmud Gawan. False. Now coming fourth number, Rao Bika founded the city of Bikaner. True. Answer is true. Now coming fifth number, Jainul Abidin reimposed jizya on Hindus. False. Now let's see exercise D, that is answer the following questions in brief. First number is name the main centers of education during Vijayanagar Empire. Answer is temples and mathas were the main centers of education during Vijayanagar Empire. Now coming question number 2, mention the classes into which the society was divided in Vijayanagar Empire. Answer is the society was mainly divided into 3 classes. First, the nobles and high officials. Second, big traders and the middle class. And third, the commoners. Again I repeat the answer. The society was mainly divided into 3 classes. First, the nobles and high officials. Second, big traders and the middle class. And the third, the commoners. Now coming third number, what was Firoz Shah famous for? Answer is Firoz Shah Bahmani built an observatory in Daulatabad. He was a learned man and good calligraphist. Now coming question number 4, who built the Kirti Stambh at Chittor? Answer is Rana Kumbha built the Kirti Stambh at Chittor. Now coming question number 5, why did Rana Kumbha become popular? Answer is Rana Kumbha had built 32 forts for the defense of Malwa, and he constructed the magnificent Kirti Stambh. He was a very learned ruler, linguistic author, architect and veena player of repute.